Hello, Weston with Hendrick BMW back for Tutorial Tuesday. Today we're going to go over how to auto park your BMW if it's equipped. To start, you would hit the park button right down here near your gear shifter, and then you drive past the spots. Once it finds one, it'll put a little P right here in a box. Click that, and it does everything else for you. So I'm going to let go of the brake, the steering, it changes the gears, all that. Close itself in park when it's done, just like that.
Hendrick.